This is the tutorial for the Cake Ninja how to add more recipes if you max out your 50 on the individual ingredient costs. No big deal. So what you'll do is you'll go to the very end where it says 50. There's a few blank spaces here. What I would do is I would take a blank one. Hopefully you've got one that's still blank. So this one is 50. I'm going to copy it, highlight it, copy it, either Command C or right click copy on your PC. Command C is for the Mac. Then you'll go here and you'll just paste. And then you can go here and paste again. Okay. If you need to add even more, then you can highlight, like, let's highlight 6 of these. Excuse me. We're going to highlight 6 rows. 6 columns, excuse me. And then you can right click or just click on with 2 fingers on your Mac and this will come up. It's a little bit cut off on the screen, but it will say insert 6 and you're going to do insert 6 to the right. Okay, and then that gives you 6 more. And you can just keep pasting. And everything will come up exactly the same as it was on the blank, and you can just keep adding more and pasting more. Now in order to get it to go from 50 to 51 and 52 and so on, you'll go back to like 48, click it, so you have to go back at least 3. Look for the little cross that comes up, click, drag all the way to the end of your recipes, and it will automatically number it in the same format. Okay, so that's how you add more recipes to the end of your recipe costing list. Thanks. See you later.